Sustainability has become the main objective and desirable standard for buildings pretty much everywhere, enabling us to admire an always increasing number of innovative architectural examples in our cities around the world. From wind turbines on skyscrapers to vertical urban gardens and rooftop ski slopes, inventive and exploratory green buildings are pushing the boundaries of the architecture industry. Building design at its visionary best engages, exhilarates, and inspires. It possesses a quality, almost indescribable, that embodies design ingenuity, connection to place, and above all, imagination. Today, I'm going to show you 10 most innovative buildings ever made. Before the video begins, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. Number 10. Gardens by the Bay. Side-by-side parabolic conservatories of glass and steel anchor this cutting-edge botanical garden in Singapore's booming Marina Bay district. Named the 2012 Building of the Year by the World Architecture Festival, the Wilkinson Eyrie design structures replicate distinct climates, one dry, the other humid, allowing for diverse attractions like a flower meadow and a misty mountain forest. No less extraordinary is the adjoining grove of vertical gardens by Grant Associates. Visitors can stroll an elevated walkway connecting the super trees, some of which are fitted with photovoltaic cells to harness solar energy. Number 9. The Shard. Familiar to watchers of last summer's Olympic Games, this 72-story skyscraper, the tallest in Western Europe, has transformed the British capital skyline, rising arrestingly on the southern banks of the Thames. Inspired by church steeples, the structure comprises 8 angled glass facades that variously reflect the surrounding city and sky and offer crystal-clear glimpses inside. Intended by Piano to act as a vertical village, the multifunctional building includes offices, apartments, restaurants, and a hotel, all crowned by a recently opened observation platform, which affords stunning views up to 40 miles in every direction. Number 8. Zeitz Museum of Contemporary Art, Africa, Cape Town, South Africa. This 1920s grain silo on Cape Town's Victoria and Alfred waterfront was the tallest building in sub-Saharan Africa until the mid-1970s and has been decommissioned since 1990. The agricultural structure is an emblem of South Africa's colonial history, as well as another chapter in its post-apartheid future. According to Building for Change, its transformation fractures these historic associations without denying them to form what is renowned as the world's largest museum dedicated to contemporary African and diaspora arts. London's Heatherwick Studio carved into 8 of the 42 reinforced concrete tubes that made up the grain lift and storage annex to form 80 galleries across 6 levels, as well as a huge void at the center, within which the nature and complexity of these spaces can finally be appreciated. Number 7. Bahrain World Trade Center, Manama. The 240-meter-high, 787-feet twin tower, Bahrain World Trade Center is a futuristic look into sustainable design located in Manama, Bahrain. Designed by the architectural firm Arkins, the twin towers feature multiple wind turbines on the sky bridges between the 2 skyscrapers. Developed, built, and installed by the Danish company Norwind in 2008, the turbines have made the structure the first in the world to integrate wind technology into its design, strategically positioned to capture the wind coming in from the Persian Gulf. Number 6. Parkroyal Collection Pickering, Singapore. The Parkroyal Collection Pickering is a luxury hotel in central Singapore designed by WOHA. The Singaporean architecture firm is known for the extraordinarily green facades on the buildings they design, and the Parkroyal Collection is no exception. Designed to be a hotel within a garden, the building has won numerous awards for its innovative architecture. That includes over 15,000 square meters, 160,000 square feet of elevated terrace gardens. These gardens are designed to be self-sufficient and sustainable by using solar cells, rainwater collection, motion sensors, and reclaimed water. Number 5. Manitoba Hydro Place, Manitoba. Headquarters of Manitoba Hydro, an electric power and natural gas utility in downtown Winnipeg, Canada. The Manitoba Hydro Place was designed by Smith Carter Architects. The tower opened in 2008 to much fanfare when it was dubbed one of the most energy-efficient office towers in the world. by CBC and the most important building in Canada by the Toronto Star. In 2012, the building received LEED Platinum certification, making it the most energy-efficient office in North America. Number 4. Bank of America Tower, New York City. New York City's Bank of America Tower, coming in at 365.8 meters, 1,200 feet, is thought to be one of the most efficient and sustainable skyscrapers in the world. COOK-FOX architects designed the $1 billion project using both recycled and recyclable materials. Utilizing slag in the cement construction, a byproduct of blast furnaces, the tower was able to reduce CO2 emissions normally associated with the manufacturing of concretes. The building also features gray water systems to collect and reuse rainwater. Number 3. One Central Park, Sydney. One Central Park in Sydney was developed as a joint venture between Fraser's Property and Sekisui House as the first stage of the local urban renewal project. The mixed-use building, comprising 2 residential apartment towers and a large retail shopping center, has been awarded a 5-star Green Star by the Green Building Council of Australia, making it the largest multi-residential building of its kind to receive such a designation. Committed to self-sufficiency, the innovative architecture incorporates a low-carbon power plant and an internal water recycling plant, allowing the space to serve its residents' heat and water needs sustainably. Number 2. Kamikatsu Zero Waste Center, Kamikatsu, Japan. In 2003, after the forced decommissioning of its waste incinerator, the municipality issued a zero waste declaration, requiring all waste produced by the area's residents to be reused or recycled to reduce the demands for landfill or incineration, according to Building for Change. Rather than increase emissions by shipping waste to the nearest city for processing, a new center was created where residents can separate and source materials for recycling and reuse. To challenge public perceptions of a waste center, the site includes a shop selling reclaimed items. Number 1. Shanghai Tower, Shanghai. The Shanghai Tower, designed by American architectural firm Gensler, is an exemplary piece of innovative architecture. Incorporating numerous sustainable elements, the tower is designed to recycle its wastewater, capture rainwater for internal use in toilets and green spaces, and has been specially designed with a 120-degree twist in its facade to reduce wind loads on the building by nearly a quarter. The twisting design also allowed the reduction of construction materials needed. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and enable post alerts to view more of our future videos. After saying that, keep watching our videos, and I'll speak with you in the next one.